I wonder what's new with Super Mario Logan on YouTube. Oh. He made a new video yesterday. It's called SML Movie, Evil Chef PP. I think I will watch it.
Ninja Bro, you smell filthy. I am going to ask you to take a shower.
But Mom, I just got on YouTube and went to Super Mario Logan's YouTube channel. Please let me watch his new video called SML Movie, Evil Chef PP.
Ninja Bro, you are going to take a shower, and that's final. Go take one hour else you are grounded.
Fine. Alright. First, I will take my clothes off.
Ninja Bro, explain what just happened.
Explain what?
Oh my freaking god. Joey, get in here quick.
What is it, honey?
Ninja Bro was taking a shower, and then he broke the shower head, and now there's water leaking from the ceiling.
Oh, Ninja Bro. I cannot believe you did that. That's it. You are grounded for 421 weeks. Go upstairs to your room right now.
No.